Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my best friend Sophie, and she is coming for a fresh set. Well, that's a lie. Coming for a redesign. So I removed her previous set. I did all the prep work on her natural nails, and I applied my clear layer to the growth, not to the, you know what I mean. And now I'm going in with application. So she never usually has light colours because she's a hairdresser and she gets tin and dye and everything under her nails, and on top it usually stains the top coat, but she's going for it this time, so if they're stained next time it's only her fault. So here I'm using Slush Fairy and I'm just applying that all over the nail. So now on the ring finger, I started putting the glitter on and was like, no, we need a base on that, because I couldn't get any thinner than what I did with the pink, and she was like, just leave it, I don't care. So I couldn't remove completely all of that, so you kind of see it showing through. So I put a thin layer of Snow White just on the base, and just so it makes the glitter pop a little bit. So then over the top, I can't remember offhand what the glitter is. I do know it's from Diamond Glitters, but I can't remember the name of it, but I'll put everything in the description box so you can go and check it out. And I just apply a full glitter now. The middle finger is going to be an ombre, so I'm using Slush Fairy at the cuticle area and dragging down. And then again, I wanted to ombre glitter into it, so I put the white at the tip and then applied the glitter over the top and faded it down the nail. The pointer again is just going to be a full nail of that Slush Fairy because it is gorgeous. And the thumb is going to be exactly the same as her ring finger, so it's going to be a full glitter nail. So now I'm going to cap all the nails that have glitter on them. So I'm using crystal glass from CJP, and I forgot to mention that my brush is the big boy brush from CJP too. So I filed, shaped, buffed, all that good stuff. I didn't leave it in this video because I have got a separate video that I am gonna dedicate purely for shaping, so keep an eye out for that over the next couple of days. So now she gave me a good wash with some soap and water, and we're ready for top coat. So I'm using CJP Tack Free Top Gloss and applying that all over her nails, nice and thinly. You don't want it thick or anything like that, you want it just nice and thin. She cures in the lamp for 60 seconds. I apply some cuticle oil and that is the set complete. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.